are obviously into looking into all the aspects, but I'm very confident. I had a meeting with all our coalition partners. In fact, just now also we were having almost a marathon meeting with all the coalition partners, especially the UDP had come to meet me today. I had met the leaders of the BJP also, and we have all discussed all the different issues, and we have reiterated that we will complete this term. We'll work together in a very stable manner and continue to serve the people based on the mandate that they gave to us.
BJP President called for your resignation following the defeats.
The people of the state have given us a mandate in the assembly elections, and it is that mandate on the basis of which a government is formed. So I think they'll have to do their homework a bit on this. Election in 2023 was election for the assembly, and people voted for most of the coalition partners. They gave more seats than what was given in 2018, and therefore that is a mandate based on which this government was formed. And hence, it is completely wrong for anybody to mention. This kind of trend in politics in the past also. This happens in many constituencies and many states where the state government is for one party. We have seen many situations where in the MP election we don't win. So it's not something that doesn't happen. Yes, I would like to thank the people of Garo Hills that for the last 46 years they have put faith and trust in the leadership of the party at different levels. And we have done our best to serve the people. And we respect, as I said, the mandate. There are issues, there are concerns, and it is our duty now to accept it, and our duty to introspect, and our duty to find out where we can improve and be ready for the next election.